Okay. This is Adrienne.
This is Nicole. Hello everyone. Good morning or good evening. Bonjour à tous. Alors je suis de nouveau avec Nicole pour la seconde partie. We're gonna ask Nicole some more questions. On va, je retrouve même plus mes mots en français. On va poser des questions, voilà. Merci à Nicole, mais des questions un petit peu plus élaborées. Donc, on va toucher du vocabulaire et de la grammaire qui est peut-être d'un niveau légèrement plus élevé que ce qu'on a vu dans la première partie. Mais ne partez pas en courant si la première partie, évidemment, était un petit peu ardue pour vous. Pourquoi? Parce qu'on va la commenter en cours de route. Et vous l'avez vu, Nicole a l'habitude en fait d'expliquer les choses because she's a teacher. Ok, c'est une prof et in English, on ne dit pas she's teacher, ok, elle est prof, on dit she's a teacher, always, ok, she's, ça, il y a un nom derrière, teacher, ok, donc she's a teacher.
Yes.
Very, extremely important because this is a very common mistake for French-speaking people in English. Ok. Donc, si vous avez la moindre question, la moindre remarque, vous le savez, vous mettez ça juste en dessous. J'espère que ce cours un peu plus en anglais, je sais que vous étiez nombreux à l'avoir réclamé. Ça, c'est teacher, ok? Vous plaît, et si vous voulez, if you want to subscribe, if you want to subscribe to this, well, fabulous, wonderful, amazing,
yes.
Awesome YouTube channel. There is a red button right here. Just click on it, and that's it. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much again, Nicole.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. I got a few questions for you.
Yes, go for it.
Very simple one. Well, Nicole, where are we today?
We are, well, let's stop. Today, we are in Saint-Étienne, France.
Okay.
And it is a very beautiful day. I love it here, and welcome.
Okay, perfect. I got a question for you. What is the difference between I like it and I love it?
Usually, if you say I like, it's very so-so. You're okay with it. It's not amazing. It's not amazing, wonderful, brilliant. It's just fine. Like,
okay.
You know, fine.
Okay.
I love it is it takes my breath away. Yes.
Okay, from the heart.
Yes.
Okay. J'aime bien, c'est pas mal. J'adore, c'est génial,
yes,
etc.
Yes.
Okay. Well, second question for you, Nicole. How long have you been in France?
I have been in France for 6.5 days so far. And the time I've spent here have been very, very nice, amazing, and excellent experience.
Okay.
It has been an amazing, excellent experience for me.
Okay.
I've learned a lot.
So, we have time.
Yep.
We have time. T like time, okay? You came 6 days ago.
Yes.
Okay, so simple past. 6 days ago, okay? You came 6 days ago. But today, we are right here, okay?
Yes.
So plus 6 days. So when you want to say, I have been here for 6 days,
yes.
You're talking about something that started in the past,
yes.
Okay?
The
and
whole
it
time.
goes all the way till right now,
yes.
Okay? Started in the past, it goes on till now,
yep.
Okay? So you have to use present perfect, okay? This is extremely important for you guys to remember. Ok, vraiment, ça, il faut vous en souvenir. Je sais que je radote et que je répète toujours la même chose, mais ne vous inquiétez pas, c'est vraiment parce qu'il faut le retenir. So, I have been, for example, in the US, okay, in the, and you have to capitalize the US for XX, 6 days, 1 year, I don't know. Okay, very, very important. Thank you so much,
You're
Nicole.
welcome.
Okay, next one. What is the reputation of French people in the US? Okay, speak the truth, please.
Yes. In America, usually the French are seen or thought of as not nice, rude.
Oh my God.
And so when I came here, I was very scared. I don't know why Americans think that way. Not everybody thinks that way, but it's a very common idea about the French.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately.
But we are nice people, right?
The French have been extremely nice to me. I'm very happy here. I have been treated very well with a lot of respect. I've received a lot of help with my French when I try to speak. So I think that the reputation is very wrong.
Okay.
What was is perfect.
That's much better.
Yes,
you can say what is your first impression, but she has been here. She has been here for 6 days. Ce qu'on vient de voir ici.
Yes.
So now we're going to talk about your first impression. So it was before.
Yes.
Okay, guys? What was your first impression, Nicole, about France?
So my first
the first one.
Yeah.
Really, the first one.
My first impression of the French and France was sort of like the American idea, because in the airports, the people were not very nice. However, once I was in France and I was at people's houses and talking with them and having dinner with them, they amazed me. They were very, very kind, very hospitable. I couldn't ask for anything more. They were incredibly, incredibly friendly.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have to get to know people.
Yes.
To get to know. Faire connaissance.
Yes.
To get to know people better. Okay? And actually, guys, this is very interesting because Nicole, of course, has a perfect accent. She's a native speaker. Okay? So, in British English, better. Okay? In American English?
Better.
Okay. Can you say it again?
Better.
If I say better, is it okay, like almost a D for the double T?
Better.
Better?
Yes, yes.
You say better or better?
It depends on the person. I teach children, so I am more accustomed to saying it clear, like better, because they have to understand how to spell the word. However, if I'm just talking
like
to
spoken
you,
English.
like, yeah, I like this movie better than... Yeah, so yes, better and better, yes.
So you see, better and better. This is like spoken English. So, spoken English. Anglais parlé, d'accord? Par opposition à l'anglais plus académique. So, casual, quotation marks, guillemets, real English, okay?
Yes.
Oh, what do you like the most in France and what do you dislike? Qu'est-ce que tu aimes le plus? Okay, to like the most, le plus, and dislike, ne pas aimer.
Okay. Besides the people that in France that I love, whom I love, what I like the most about France is the scenery. I like the green. I like the fields.
The what? The what?
Scenery.
Oh, can you write it for me?
Beautiful.
I'm really confused. La scène.
The scenery.
What is it? What is it exactly?
The scenery.
Can you explain
yes,
what it is?
The scenery is when you're looking at mountains, trees, green.
Le paysage.
Yes.
Vous voyez?
Yep.
Donc, it looks
Lakes.
like French word,
Yes.
but c'est le paysage. Landscapes.
Landscapes, yes, that's how you guys would use it, yes. I love the landscapes. It's so green and fresh and clean. I love the castles here. I love the architecture. So there are a lot of things about France that I like. So
Okay. Very, very interesting about pronunciation once again. You said castle or castle?
Castle.
Can you write it for me and
Castle,
explain?
yes.
Because I'm
Yes.
still confused. So pay attention.
Castle.
Castle, but there is a T.
Castle.
So I don't get it. Castle?
Castle.
Castle. Castle, of
Yeah,
course.
like whistle.
Okay, like whistle,
Listen.
castle.
Silent T, yes.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's very tricky.
Yeah, so you have to get to know English pronunciation, basically, guys. Okay. Well, why? Because everything is not perfect, even if we are French. That was a bad one. I had to try, come on. So, what do you dislike?
Where I'm from is not as humid. There's less rain. So when I'm not accustomed to being in weather that has a lot of moisture in it. So I sweat. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it the only thing?
I think the bigger cities, I'm not very, I don't enjoy as much as going into the mountains. The bigger cities like Paris, Grenoble, I don't like those as much.
Oh, you say Paris?
Paris
is Paris in English.
Yes. Grenoble is Grenoble.
Grenoble. Paris. Okay, guys.
Paris.
And you
yes.
say lions?
I think we just say Lyon.
Okay. So
Lyon,
Paris,
yeah.
Lyon, and so on. Okay.
Yes.
Just a little
And
thing to remember for you guys.
Saint-Étienne, we would say Saint.
Saint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saint.
Yeah. Well, last but not least, donc en dernier mais non des moindres, littéralement, not least, okay. Maybe this is like used in written English, right?
Last but not least, yeah. Equal. Yeah.
Okay.
We say it and write it. Yeah.
Ok, donc à l'oral comme à l'écrit, le dernier mais non des moindres, donc c'est plus littéraire en français, mais on peut le dire de manière courante en anglais, évidemment. So, well, do you want to say something in French for us?
Yes, but I might need some help.
Okay, we're gonna help you. No worries.
J'espère vous aimez les vidéos.
Que vous aimez.
Vous aimez. J'espère vous aimez la vidéo. Et j'espère vous trouvez que l'information très helpful.
Très utile.
Okay, très utile.
Utile.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Bravo, Nicole. Thank you very much. If you have any question, guys, any comments, vous mettez ça juste en dessous and we come back to you with pleasure, of course. But last but not least, if I may say so, if you want to subscribe to this wonderful, fabulous, awesome, amazing YouTube channel,
Please do.
There is the red button right here and just click on it and that's it. Je vous dis donc à demain.
I will see you later.
Nicole, thank you very much again.
You're welcome.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
Talk to you soon. Perfect. That's kind of